Hey guys, you're welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I want to quickly share with you what I titled "You Be the Confidence and Not Your Money." Now, one of the reasons I decided to do this very video is because over time, one of the things I have noticed in the lives of very many people is that when there is no money, they lack confidence. When money is not available, they feel disappointed. There is always this low self-esteem that goes along with no money. But this is not how it ought to be. The reason is because if you continue to act like this, then you will never come out of such disappointment. You know why? Because your confidence is in money, not in yourself. Listen, my friend, this year 2022, one of the things I want to encourage you to do in your financial work is to ensure that you take the focus, move the confidence out of your money into yourself. Channel that confidence you've been placing on money and channel it to yourself. Now I'm going to explain why this is so important. A lot of times, one of the reasons people feel paralyzed, they feel they are not able to do anything because there is no money. The reason they do that is because somehow in their subconscious mind, or rather in their unconsciousness, they have come to the conclusion that for them to take any action, for them to do anything at all, they feel that money must be the key motivator. But that is not how it's supposed to be. I came here to encourage you this year 2022, take your focus, take your confidence off your money. The reason is because money will always fail, money will always go. There is this nature of money that you must understand. Money does not come to stay in people's hands, it comes to go. Haven't you noticed it? That when you work for a whole month, that whole stress is just to be able to have money to spend. Think about it. It is one reality that many people do not actually give attention to. But over the years, I took out time to sit down and I pondered on this, and I was amazed. That's why you see, money should never be the confidence. Trust me, trust me. Do not put your confidence in money, because at the end of the day, it only comes with a purpose for it to go. That is it. Money is an errand boy. Money is a servant. It does not come to stay, it comes to go. Even when you try to make it stay in the area of savings, at the end of the day, it will still go. The only thing that makes money stay in your hands is when you make investments. And even at that, you see that after you have made the investment, money keeps going and coming. But then the investment is what now makes money to always be in your hands. You get the point now? So what I'm trying to communicate here is this. If you don't want to go through financial depression this year, you don't want to be disappointed, you don't want to lose your joy because of money matters, listen very carefully. I want you to take this advice from me. Move the confidence from your money down to yourself. Now, by the way, if you're enjoying this video, I want you to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, don't wait any longer. Subscribe to the channel, because on this channel, I make videos that educates you financially. Okay, don't forget to also share this video with your friends and family. And there's so much you stand to learn if you are interested in this kind of videos. As we continue, there's something that I want you to understand. One of the reasons you've got to take the confidence from your money down to yourself is because you are the value, not your money. You are the value. You are the main person here. So instead of you putting your focus, putting your confidence in money, what you should spend your time to do is to put your confidence in yourself. Because see, money will come and go, but you are always there. But then all you need to do now is to develop yourself, because you are the value. Never forget that. You are the value here. When people want to pay you, they pay you because of what you can offer, not what your money can offer. You get the point now? It's because of what you can offer. So instead of you putting your confidence in money, use your money to build yourself. Use your money to develop your skills. Use your money, to improve your skills, to package your skills. Use your money to improve your financial knowledge. Go for courses, read books, improve your financial knowledge. Because see, financial knowledge will help you to make more money, to attract money, to multiply your money, to manage your money, and to also save your money. I've done a video on that. I will just put the link in the description box below. I would encourage you to go and check that very video on the power of financial education. But then what I'm trying to communicate here is that use your money, prove yourself. When you have improved yourself, it doesn't matter what happens. If you lose money today, you will always make it back. If money comes to your hand today and the next day is gone, listen carefully, you will not fret, because you know that you are the one who attracts the money. So this is one of the things that I want to encourage you about in 2022. Spend the time to build yourself. Spend the time to build value that you can offer. Spend the time and money to develop your skills. Maybe you're listening to me right now, you have some skills. Develop the skills. Go and learn how to convert that skill into value. That's one of the things that most people do not understand. They don't know that their skill is actually money. You get the point now? Your skill is actually money, but it is money in the intangible form. Now, if you want the physical one, the tangible one to get to you, then you've got to convert that skill, convert the skill, the intangible money, into value. And that value is what will now attract the tangible money. So this is something that I really want you to ponder about this year. Do not give in to financial depression. Do not give in to financial pressures. I've also done a video on how to manage financial pressures. I'll put the link in the description box below. And most importantly, you can even see the thumbnail now showing on your screen. Watch these videos. It will help you a great deal. Trust me, it will help you a great deal. There's no point for you to be financially depressed. There's no point for you to go through financial pressures when you know the right thing to do. All in all, I want you to remember this. Let the confidence be you and not your money. Channel that confidence that you have placed in money. Channel it to yourself. You might say, well, what if, there is no money? It should not stop you from making your move. It should not stop you from taking necessary action. That is the point. When your confidence is not there, when you know that you are the one who is the value, listen carefully, you will make the necessary move. You'll be able to come up with ideas on how to make the necessary moves and make things happen. You get the point now? But guess what? If the confidence is there and the money is not available, then what happens to you? So this is something I want you to really, really think about this year, because it will go a very long way to help you. Now that'll be all for this video. I trust and I believe that you've learned something. Let me know what you've gotten from this video. Let me know what resonated with you, in the comment box. And if you have not liked the video, go ahead and like the video, share with your friends and families. And most importantly, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that the next time I post a new video, you will be the first to receive that video. I'll see you in the next video.